Good morning! Good morning guys! Tapos na ako mag-makeup. Tapos na din kami mag-breakfast. Hinintay lang namin si Dan. Nag-film kami ni Miss kanina. Another video. Get ready with me. Nagbisaya kami guys. Hinintay namin si Dan. Nag-withdraw siya ng pera. Kasi wala na kami pera. Punta kami ng water park guys. Uy, card mo oh. Wala ganina. Pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko. Kaya lang wala pa akong... Pakita mo nga sa kanila yung outfit ko. Can you film me please? Thank you very much. Guys, ito I got from Chat to Chat. Ang ganda no? Sa kids, extra large. 150 baht lang. And then this shorts is from Supray. And I will be wearing the same sandals na I've been wearing this trip. Tapos ito yung bag ko.
Are you sure you're gonna wear sandals?
Yeah.
Mag-trip, mag-con ba yata? Mag-rides pa si matanggal imong con.
Dili na may strap akong sandal.
Okay.
This is my bag. Chat to Chat. Yan. 550 for 2. I'm falling in love. Nice to dito, Teo. Guys, si Dan wala pa. Kanina pa namin yun hinihintay. Nag-withdraw lang ng pera. Wala pa siya guys. Siguro naghintay siya sa baba. Kasi sabi namin mag-film kami mga 30 minutes. Anyway, huy miss, ito yung gift ko sa'yo. Kung mag-haul ka. Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. Para sa tumatanda mong muka.
For the preservation of
your
pimples.
Old face.
Lotus feet.
And then, merong ito, low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser from COSRX. Cleanser yan. Sa'yo yan.
My face is not clean.
Ito, maganda to para to sa iyong mga pimple. Anti-T Red Zero Spot Cream.
Okay.
This is from Yara Cosmetics. Dito na siya, guys. And, ito, para sa'yo. Claire's Supple Preparation Unscented Toner.
I did some shopping.
Ooh, where did you go, Mala?
Just Terminal 21.
You went to Terminal 21? This guy.
I actually like
Oh, I don't have a toner. Thank you.
And then ito guys, April Skin Black Magic Snow Cushion. Oh, may cushion ka na. Shade mo yan.
I have a cushion.
And then mga masks.
Oh my god, you never told me.
I told you I have mask.
Then why did you buy heaps?
That's alright. Now you have heaps.
Friends from Auckland, I'm gonna give this to you guys. Ay, di na lang. Yung binili ko na lang. Uy, lain sa kagihatag ni mo sa...
Mga hatag. Mga hatag o ginatag. Oy, meron pa miss. Are you ready?
Oh my god, so many.
Yes. Ito! Suiva Rose Golden Palette. Open mo.
Oh my god, so touched.
Joke. Open mo. Ganda yan.
This is what I like, guys.
Nice.
Nice.
Ito yung kapartner ng Benefit Boing. Concealer din to. I-try mo to kung gusto mo. And then ito, mga eyeshadow guys, galing Innisfree. 4. Yan. Okay na.
Ma-pretty na ka, ane.
Ayan, pagpaganda. Babe, what did you get from Terminal 21?
I like this. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, that's nice, babe. How much?
That was only 100 because I'm at a close tops for tomorrow. So
Okay. 100
it's
baht?
top for tomorrow.
At Terminal 21, did you haggle?
No.
Yeah, that's nice. Should we go now? Live
Oh yeah.
is what you make.
We're gonna order a grab and then we're gonna wait for the grab to come. So might as well order the grab and see how long.
Sige, miss, mag-order ka na ng Grab.
How much money should we take?
How much did you withdraw?
We took out 10,000. That's what I think we're gonna need for the rest of the trip.
Dito na kami guys. Nag-book kami online. Gamit namin yung email ni Miss. So, yun lang ipapakita mo kapag nag-book ka online. Kasi kapag online, yung babayaran is 600 baht. Pero kapag dito ka nagbumili ng ticket, 1,000 baht. So, we booked it online. And yung Grab pala namin kanina from the hotel to here is 600 baht. No, not 600. 288. So, we paid 300 baht. And sabi ni ate, dito daw dapat kapag nag-book ka ng ticket online. So, dito tayo. Hello.
Daring!
Siya yung pumili nito guys, itong water plant. Hello. Thank you. Guys, kasama din sa booking namin, tatlong coffee voucher at saka tatlong buffet voucher. So we have free food here. 600 baht each kapag binook nyo siya online. Guys, pili ako ng hat. Ito, 100 baht lang. Kasi nung nagpunta kami sa market, mahal siya, mga 300 plus. So, ito na lang dito. Ito yung pinili ko. Kasi yung isa sana, yung dark brown, Do you have 100 baht?
Yeah.
No, we have 100, yeah. Guys, first ride namin is log flume. Log flume. Ito guys. Mababasa kami dito. And hindi namin sure kung meron silang locker kasi hindi kami magkaintindihan nila ate. Pero nakita namin yung mga tao may mga dalang bag. So, dalhin na lang namin yung bag namin kasi hawakan na lang namin, no. Dito, sasakay ka dito. Ganyan. Yan. May mga ganyan. Basa na sila. Kami na guys. Thank you.
No cap.
No cap. Can I leave it here?
Put it around here, but I'll get on the back. You got it.
No cap daw. Bilin. It might fly. Yan. Oh my gosh. See, ikaw, you go to the front, babe.
เดี๋ยวผมคนนั่งหน้ากับเขานะ
Too tight.
Him.
1, 2, 3.
ทุกคนคู่นะนั่งได้ครับ
I can go at your back, babe.
ทางนี้ก็ได้
Okay. Wait. Wait, sir.
ได้ไอ้กลาส
Oh, no eyeglass. Dito na kami, guys. Si Dan yung harap. Kami ni May sa gitna. Tapos may ibang tao.
ay yung film mula lagopan
Dapat kasi anim. Yan yung finale, guys. So, dyan kami bababa. Mababasa kami. So, itapago ko yung camera. Lalagay ko sa bag ko. Guys, tapos na kami doon. Maganda. Di ba, miss? Gusto mo yan? Nice. Did you like that, babe?
That was alright.
That was really good. Hindi siya like ganun-ganun. So, okay lang siya. That was good. Now, ano susunod? Mainit na, guys.
Let's look at this wave pool.
What's that?
Wave pool?
Wave pool? Hello, isa na nagdala tayo ng swimsuit. Guys, nandito kami sa pool area. Si Dan nandun sa slide. Gusto niya mag-slide, guys. So, hindi kami nagdala ng swimsuit. Sabi ni Dan, di kayo nagdala ng swimsuit. Punta kayo water park. Sabi ko, hindi na ba kami pumunta dito para mag-swimming? Nakakaloka to siya. Anyway, siya na lang mag-isa mag-slide. Nandun siya, guys. Hindi ko alam kung naasan na siya. Pero nandun yung malaking slide. Hindi ko alam kung saan si Dan, kung anong kulay yung... Ay no. Ito yung next natin, guys. Nakakatakot. Meron din silang ganito. Punta tayo dyan. Char, lumuluwa siya ng dugo daw, oh. Red yung niya, yung niluluwa niya. Dito kami sa big double shock, guys. Kaya lang no video, so iwan ko kayo. Let's go. Best friend ni Miss. You want a picture? Where's your phone? Hello. Thank you. You want a picture with me, babe? Ice cream kami, guys. Ang init kami. Dito naman, kapag bumili ka ng food, kailangan mag-voucher ulit. Gaya nung sa Pier 21. So, bumili kami ng card, food card, and then got an ice cream. Hindi sila nag-ano ng cash. I'm not sure kung sa lahat. Pero dito sa area na to sa food and beverages area, kailangan mo ng food card. And we just got coconut and mango ice cream. But Dan got something else. Guys, si Dan lang at saka si Miss yung nandun. Ayoko nang ganyan kasi iisa-isa lang. Ako lang mag-isa, nakakatakot. Parang gumaganon siya, pumi Ferris wheel. So, yeah. Hey! Stop touching anything! Don't touch! No! Ora dyan igbuang si Dan eh. Makalagot. Sus, naong ni mo ay. Awara ko na siya. Nang iinis. Ayan. Good girl. Hey! Keep your hands off that. Buang. Feeling ko si Miss lang yung sisigaw dito. Nakakatakot kaya to, buang. Guys, unti-unti na silang tumataas. Nakakatakot na to, promise. Finifilm ko si Miss gamit yung GoPro niya. Allah! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ayoko niyan. Tapos na sila, guys. That's the exit. Uy, mali. Mali yung exit. Guys, ito naman next. Ito, sasakay ako dito kasi pag ganun lang siya. Pag ganun lang, hindi siya umiikot-ikot. So, okay lang to. Parang tinitingnan ko pa lang sila. Sumasakit na yung ulo ko eh. Okay. Let's do it, babe.
No problems.
How about this one? We can just leave it here.
130 centimeters are not recommended on board. No carry-on belongings are allowed on the ride. For your own safety, please do not lock or unlock the safety bars yourself. Thank you.
Next, Jurassic Adventure, guys. So, sasakay kami sa isa sa mga ganito.
ไดโนเสาร์ชนิดบินได้เหมือนนกมันคอยระแวดระวังอยู่บนหน้าผาจับจ้องสิ่งที่เคลื่อนไหวซึ่งถือกันว่าเป็นสัตว์ที่มีขนาดใหญ่ที่สุดเท่าที่โลกมีมาและที่ใหญ่สุดๆที่จะได้แก่เจ้าโซโลพอดซึ่งมีน้ำหนักถึง3ของพวกไดโนเสาร์พันธุ์ยกตระกูลต่างๆขึ้นชื่อ
Bili kami ng corn dito, guys. 25 baht each. Dalawa yung binili namin. Hindi ko alam kung meron pang laman yung food card kasi bumili kami ng Sprite at saka water.
How much is yours?
I'm not sure. I think I have 20 on here. Nah, it should be enough. So perfect. I mean. Sakto kayo. Guys, kakarating lang namin ng hotel. Pagod na kami. We didn't do the roller coaster kasi sobrang lipong na kami, guys, after nung last ride. Si ako isang ride lang yung ginawa ko, nalipong na ako. Sila dalawang rides yung ginawa, tatlo, pero dalawang nakakalipong yung kanila. Nakakahilo. Yung akin, isang nakakahilo lang, and hindi ko na kinaya. Nag-chill lang kami dun sa pool, kasi merong pool dun, malaking pool, kasi water park nga. And yun lang. Kain tayo ng mangustin. Paano, babe? Please. I want mangustin. Nalilipong ako, guys.
Nakay pati lang ni Matahin. Natag ni Michelle.
What is it?
This one, from Japan.
Japan?
Buot sa kudo.
Taka na saga. I like my hat. 100 baht. My gosh, yung ganito sa chat to chat, tag 300, 350. May umutot, guys. Pasensya. Pasensya, guys, ha? Ano to?
This is a banana.
Is it really? Ito itsura, guys. Saan to galing? Wow,
Michelle
kitang-kita.
from Japan.
Japan. Thank you, Michelle from Japan.
Uy, dili si Michelle taga-dirigit nga. Gitagaan siya siyang friend from Japan. Mag-ano na lang ko.
Hi, guys.
It's a banana.
Paulit-ulit, banana.
Banana. O, kani para sauce ni mo.
Yeah.
Pang-preserve ni ka no.
Di ka makanan eh?
Oxygen absorber.
Di ka makanan eh?
Mukhaon hindi pa tilaw lati ka.
Tilaw na rin eh.
Imang gi-vlog ko yan mo doon.
Tilaw doon, uy, kahangol ni mo eh. Hangol man kang mga pagkababae.
Lamyari.
Binis dan buang. Babe, try this. This is from Michelle. From Japan.
Yeah, Michelle is from New Zealand, not from Japan.
Babe, Michelle is from Japan, okay?
No.
Tara, oh, labay oh. Thank you very much. Guys, labas kami. Punta kami sa market. Do you know what's the name of this market we're going to?
Ratchet market.
What?
Ratchet market?
Ratchet? You're kidding.
Something like that.
Hindi
I'm
niya
not sure.
alam, guys.
I'm not sure what it's called.
Hindi niya sure. Itong market na to, it's a night market and it's only there every Thursday.
Wrong.
Ay, mali. Ano ba? What is it then?
I thought it starts Thursday, but it may start every day. I'm not sure.
Okay. Itong market na pupuntahan namin, guys, night market lang to siya. Wala siya during the day. Is that right? It's just a night market? Good.
Just a night market.
Guys, ibang transport ang gamit namin ngayon, MRT instead of BTS. So, first time namin ganito, ang daming tao, haba ng pila. Walang kami ticket. Guys, so yung MRT nila, tokens, I think meron ding card kasi dun sa, sa machine, meron ding card nakasulat, pero binigyan kami ng token. I-swipe mo lang siya, makapasok ka na. Sobrang busy guys. Sino yun? Dami tao.
This one, number 2.
I'm not sure. Exit na tayo guys, Thailand Cultural Center. So, coin siya guys.
You just put a coin in the slot.
Yeah. I'll see you. Okay. Piyawan ko ato da. Ang haba ng escalator guys. Ang napansin namin ni Miss, ang bilis ng escalator nila dito, di ba? Nagmamadali. As in guys, mabilis oh. Tingnan niyo sila ate. See? Ang bilis. Di ba sa atin slow and steady. Ito, ang bilis. I like it actually. Guys, kung siniswerte ka nga naman, ang lakas ng ulan. Oh, takbo. Lakas ng ulan, grabe. Hindi kami makalabas guys kasi kailangan pa namin maglakad papunta sa market. Ala, basa to sa market, babe. Not a good market weather, babe. Guys, nagponcho kami, guys. Galing sa MRT. Bumili kami ng ganito kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. And pumunta kami dito sa isang shopping center na hindi namin alam kung ano. Si Dan. Buang. Okay, let's go in. Pasok na tayo, guys, para makakain na tayo. I got your Big Mac, hello. Yeah.
What are you eating? Cheeseburger?
Yeah, I'm getting just cheeseburger para sa akin.
Sauces and some straws, babe.
Okay, I'll get it first. Do you know where to get it? You can go get it.
I'll get it.
Okay. So, nandito kami, I think Esplanade Mall yung tawag dito. Hindi ko sure guys kasi hindi ko na nakita. Pumasok lang kami sa pinakamalapit na mall kasi nga umuulan. And pumunta kami dito sa Makas kasi one day na-mention nila na gusto niya itry yung Makas. So, kakain kami guys ng Makas. Sinihintay pa niya yung chicken niya. And pinagtitinginan ako ng mga tao. Cheeseburger lang yung akin kay Dan Big Mac. Guys, ang cute na mga socks. And same siya ng price at siya. 6 for 100. So, bili tayo. Dito kami, si Pikachu. Dito kami guys sa nagbebenta ng mga Lego. Gusto bumili ni Dan ng isa para sa kanya. Sige, go buy Mario. Ito bibili ni Miss. Si Dan gusto niya yung mahirap daw. So, yung Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse dun sa likod. Hala. Sige naman, nagkahulog imong kwarta, uy.
I also like this.
Who? What's that?
That's is that Miss Potato Head?
Is there
Okay.
instruction? How to assemble?
Guys, tapos na kami dun sa The Esplanade Mall and now we're back to the market again. So, ibang market na naman to guys. See, 39 baht. Sa Chatuchak guys, ano to? 4 for 100. I'm pretty sure you can haggle. Guys, food. Hello, seafood, guys. Tapos na kami kumain. Nagmakas kami. Maybe after we walk around, if we get hungry, we'll eat again. Here. Hala, kalami. Sila ang magluto. Yeah, that's good. Awa guys, cute kayo. Nagbisaya naman ko eh.
How much are they?
89? Do you want one? Okay. Gusto nila bumili niyan, guys.
I need money though, babe.
Okay, aga.
Can't buy it with love.
Let's look at the rainbow cheese.
So, hindi niya kinakat yung cheese sa ilalim, guys, para maging ganito.
Ah, okay.
Thank you!
We have topping.
Oh, toppings, babe. What do you want?
You said
First pull.
Ah, separate first. And then you put toppings, babe. Did you get that?
I got it.
Nice! And then put your topping.
So pull it now or?
put it back.
Ooh, okay. Okay. Ah, no, no, no. Put it back on your...
What do you need? Milk or chocolate?
What? Chocolate.
So you have to separate it
okay,
and
chocolate.
then put the topping after.
Wow. Ay, social.
Very Instagrammable.
It is.
Oh, even better. Love it.
Oh, cool.
Cool.
Thank you. Thank you.
Can I take a picture? What are you talking
See, I don't want your big fat head in it. Just take it to the...
Talented nila, guys. Tingnan niyo to. Doon siya, nag-drawing siya doon. Diba? Mas ganun yung itsura, oh.
Very so good.
Looks really nice. Do you want some? Ganyan na yung itsura, guys, nung na-flip. I-flip niya tong isa. Parang si Chinchan. Chinchan ba yan, miss?
Yeah, right.
Ano ba yan, miss? We can't really see it from here.
Yeah, that's great. Should we go small or big?
Bili kami ng ano, just small.
Too small?
Oh, do you want a big one?
Oh, well, you girls eat a big one. That's what a big one is.
Bukaan kami.
You probably will.
Let's take one. I don't think I would like it.
We just go small one?
Yeah, just small.
Money, money, money.
I have it here in my pocket.
Baby, you got the money lady.
Ano siya, mango sticky rice. Yes, eat right now. Thank you. Ah, meron siyang ilalagay. Oh. Thank you. Does it look good, babe? Tingnan niya. Ay, yummers. Yan yung ano ni Dan. Gusto niya. Wala, pineapple. Wala, lahat pineapple. Oh. Yeah, malaki. Ito, miss, oh, mga basics. Miss, mga basic, oh. Mga basic na top. Oh, matcha. You want some?
Last time they weren't clean.
Does this remind you, babe? Si Kuya.
What's that?
The crepe.
Let's have a banana and then the
That's a
milk.
cream. Oh, that's cool.
You don't want any egg?
No egg.
No egg. Yeah, thank you.
Don't get chocolate. Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate, yes.
Chocolate and banana.
Banana, Nutella,
Hindi malinis naman sila dito. Oh, that looks good. That looks really nice, babe.
I think it's
Pareho pa kami ng top ni ate. Tingnan nyo to, guys.
Would you do a video on it?
I'm not sure. So buy it now and then do it in the morning?
I want either of characters.
Oh my gosh, no way. Okay lang sa akin yung mga ganyan. Ayaw lang yung worm. Hindi ko kaya yung worm talaga, miss.
One piece,
5 baht. Ah, 1 piece. If you wanna try, 1 piece for 5 baht. Guys, dito kami sa Passport. Ito, isa to sa mga sobrang sikat din sa Thailand. Yung ganito, 80 baht siya guys. Tapos, free name, tas free logo for 80 baht. So, siguro, yeah. Ayun, si Kuya gumagawa dun. 80 baht. Should I get it for them? Ginagawa na ni Kuya, guys. Bibigay ko to sa mga Inday. Doon yung mga pangalan nila, guys. Kati, Lovely, Lyra, Chona, Kanika. Daming tao dito, guys. Ang busy. Sila nandun sa likod. Ha? Si Miss, nag-ano pa din kung ano yung gusto niya. Pang-gift niya din sa mga ano niya, friends. Guys, tapos na kami dito sa market. Balik na kami sa hotel. Ang tagal namin dun sa ano, Passport. Ang dami. Ito na lang yung gift kasi mas maganda, mas personalized. And, di ba lahat naman kasi may passport, so magagamit nila kung gusto nila gamitin. So, nagpagawa kami ng, 13 guys. Same color lahat. Where are we going, babe? 7 kay Miss. Oh, bali 7 sa'yo. Tapos 8 yung sa akin. I know, 6 akin. Boba. Boba pala to si Simply Rhaze. Tuk-tuk kami guys. Hindi pa na-experience ni Miss ang tuk-tuk. Go, go, go. Actually, iba yung tuk-tuk nila dito kaysa sa Phuket. You're right, babe? What's up, kuya? Tuk-tuk! Hotel na kami, guys. Ano? Ganap mo dyan?
Please
Wait, so
do elevate your legs, guys. Like if you have a long walk, nobody elevate your legs.
Kay, para...
Oh my God, Venus return.
Char, Venus return.
Yeah.
Wow.
So your blood will pull.
Uy,
back
Miss!
to
Ano
your
eh?
heart.
Guys, tingnan nyo, ang dami! Para sa mga Inday.
Oh, that's supposed to be a secret.
Secret week. Oh, eh! Secret.
Anyway, you'll upload it.
Oh! Ay, wait. Akin to. Akin to. May gaya-gaya! Uy, gaya-gaya siya sa... Uy, huwag ka masyadong magalaw. Gaya-gaya siya sa akin, guys. Ginaya niya yung kulay, yung lahat. Ginaya niya yung plain. Yung mga pinili niya kanina.
Guys,
Saka.
Michelle, Ellen, Krista,
Nag-hold ka dyan.
Micah, Vanessa, and Ran, and Beer, and mine. See?
Pakita ko yung akin
I
lang.
love you, friend.
Shout out to my friends out there. Akin, guys, ganyan. Pakita ko sa inyo ng maayos. Ginaya niyo yung akin kasi ang ganda ng mga pili ko. See? Yung maraming actually choices doon. Nakita nyo naman, diba, bilanag ko kanina, may mga colorful. Kaya lang, you know, go for the, basic. Tapos, parang magugustuhan ng lahat. Hopefully. Hindi ko kasi alam yung mga favorite color nila.
Latil, yoks. Ang sa ko, Til?
Kahugaw,
Kumusta ko, Til, guys?
And may mga nabili din ako, guys. I will do a massive pancake ko.
Mo nang diri ko ni higda. Ay, hugaw mo kong lawas.
Hello, ayoko
Look at my feet.
Ano na ko
Is it
na lahat.
dirty?
Anyway, close ko na tong vlog, guys.
Of course it
I hope
is.
na-enjoy nyo yung vlog today.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mamamatay na yung battery. Bye! Mwah!